Out.
Taking a pic?
No.
As you can see, we have a beautiful sky out there, beautiful, beautiful nature. That's why it's called a nature video.
Thank God!
You know, so right now we're on a long excavation. You know, we've been walking for 3 or 4 hours at least. And you know, it's beautiful tree leaves. They're so beautiful. Anyway, what do we have here? What is this? What do we have here?
He seems to have spotted something.
This is the yellow mustard. This is not the pineapple weed.
Oh.
So I guess we learned a new thing. This is what we call the yellow mustard weed, I guess.
Yeah.
But as you can see, we have a whole batch of them here. So yellow mustard weed for the whole family.
Kenneth's house.
All right. So oh, this is a tough one. So we got here is apple. Anyway, this is called the oilseed rape. As you can see, it's a very large leaf.
That's why
with a very long stem. But anyway, you know, it's just perfect for, you know, a little insect to nibble on, or for water to just drape off of it, you know.
As you can see, there are holes right here.
And holes right here, so which means that insects have
There's
nibbled on,
holes right here.
as you can see. So
And we found it in the desert.
yes, and it thrives in a desert habitat, as you can see around by the surrounding environment.
So we have decided to go exploring further down somewhere.
Throughout the environment, but we decided that our feet can't take us where we actually want to go, so we're gonna have to just get ready for the great
We have seemed to make it down to a river. Looks like a natural habitat. And what is this bird we appear to see? Looks like a seagull. It might be. And as we were walking, we appear to find this. What is this, Kenneth?
Well, I'm not very sure at the moment, but looks to me like a pineapple weed. But as you can see, what is this? What is this? Can you see that, Bonjo? Can you see that?
That little bug? I think that's a bug. Might be a ladybug.
It looks like it's maybe a beetle of some kind. I'm not very sure right now, but oh, it's gone. Sorry, little bug.
Seem to have fallen upon this.
This is a leaf of a greater stitchwort, also known as a Stellaria polorestea. Scientific name, you know, just to sound a little fancy. Anyway, as you can see, there's a whole colony of them. Ugh. Anyway. Just watch it just go.
And we couldn't. Oh, what is this we stumbled upon?
Looks like a ginormous form of a dandelion.
And here's an ant taking
There's
food
another one.
to its home.
You can see those are seagulls over there. Oh, what is this? What is that? What? Look over there. Look by the sand pit. Quick! Some Homo sapiens playing beach volleyball. Look, we got some ducks over here.
Geese.
Or geese. Not bad. And we have some naked wolves.
To be I don't know, something.
Let's take a look at it. As you can see, it's characterized by a long, wispy-like branches of some sort. You know?
And then there's like little dots poking out.
You can see 2 birds perched